Hello, it's Katrina here. I'm just going to talk you through a very brief little demo about the OneNote collaborative notebooks that I've been sharing with you to help our dissertation students support each other and to support them as well in trying to access some relevant literature for them in their dissertations. So I'm just going to talk you through this. It's really quite straightforward. You will have seen the notebooks coming through in the links. How I've organised them is really only on the basis of the 5 specialisms which the students did in third year in the critical analysis module. So I've grouped them together under those 5 specialisms of health and well-being, literacy, numeracy, modern languages, science, and that's 5, isn't it? Yeah, that's the 5. So they're in those 5 groups that they were in for BA3 critical analysis. Now, it could be that some of them need to be in different notebooks, and it would be really helpful if you could kind of work that out for yourselves and maybe add in students as appropriate. So I'll show you how to do that first of all. It's really straightforward. All you need to do is go to this share button here. You can see it loading, and you can invite people. That's one way to invite them. So let's see if it recognises some of the names of the students. I'll put in a name of one of my students, Sarah McNish. There you are. Sarah's one of the modern languages students. If I just do a kind of quick search there, I can add Sarah to the health and well-being notebook if that's appropriate for her. Write a wee message and send that off to her. Okay, so have a go at adding some students if you like, if you feel it's appropriate. It was easiest for me just to do it in the 5 specialisms, but I appreciate that, you know, that might not be the correct fit for everybody. So that's how you add people. You might also want to add other colleagues. So this is health and well-being. So it's shared with Beth, Elaine, Yona, and I think it should be Paula. No, it's Anne. It's Anne Perry. So there you are. There's somebody I should add to that one as well. I'll add Paula in now because I think she would like to have access to all of them. So there we are, Paula Cowan. I'm going to add her. She's going to have editing rights because that's important, because everyone has to be enabled to add things to these notebooks, and I don't want to have to worry about everyone signing in. That just wastes time. So that's Paula's invite ready to go. I'll just send her a message. Okay, and I'll share that with her by just clicking on that tab there. Now, I'm actually not going to do this because I don't want to annoy her with another email when I've already added her anyway, I think. So that's how you add students or staff. Adding links, that's easy as well. Most of them have been set up with a home page and maybe a few other pages. Now, you might not find that these pages are necessary. Some people have said, actually, we just need a links page, so that's fine. You can edit these pages as well if you do want to group your shared literature under themes. Let's try adding a link. I'm going to add a link to Elaine's notebook here, and it's an article that I saw that was quite useful for policy. I think quite a lot of them will be looking at aspects of policy one way or another. This isn't particularly relevant to health and well-being, but it's just as a means of showing you how to do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab that link there. So if I just highlight it and then Control C, copy it, or Command C if you're on your Mac. I know that now. And then go back to the page, and really all you need to do, insert hyperlink. I'm going to put that link down there, and then I'm just going to say policy text. Let's get the author, that would help. So it's 2016, Lewis, Lingard, and Lewis, Seller and Lingard. Okay, so go back to my link window, policy text, Lewis, Seller and Lingard 2016. Okay, and then I can insert that. As you can see, that now comes up as a nice neat little link that is going to hyperlink back to the page that we wanted. But the advantage of doing it like this is that we don't get a great big long messy URL. So it just makes things look a little bit neater and tidier, and also it just tells them exactly who the authors are for that paper. And I've just put policy text in the title. You could also put the title of the paper if you want to be precise, but the important thing is that it's nice and quick and easy to recognize and quick and easy to find. So that's basically it. I hope this is helpful for you. I don't really think there's much else you might want to know. Adding pages, I wouldn't bother adding any other sections. Let's just keep it to one section with sub pages if you even want sub pages. Hopefully this will encourage the students to share the reading that they're doing. It would be nice if they would make little comments as well, just to say how useful things were, and hopefully it'll help support them in their dissertations. Any questions, just let me know, just send me an email or come and see me. But I hope this works for all of you. Okay, that's all. Bye for now.